Best regards. My name is Hasblady Acevedo Forero. I'm a bachelor student in foreign language with emphasis of English at the University UNAD. I present for the course English. My opinion on the meaning for the metaphor. All the world is a stage, and all the men and women are mere players. They have their exist and their strangers. The of William Shakespeare. Only one is the protagonist of his one story. Only one can define what he wants to be, why, and for what of every situation we live, mm, regardless of what people think about the life we live. According to me, my partner Vicky, my classmate Vicky, this topic is better for refers to human alive and compares it to the theatrical stake and Shakespeare student that everyone life is like a place and each person players and rolling in it. My opinion of the history, my classmate, it's important to learn and understand by listening to each of these people. You learn that life is like apply and that we all have all roles to play and time evaluation. Um, my opinion, the past tenses and the spelling are well developed. There's three tips for your partner consistent with experience. First, it's good to know that the only protagonist of your story is Ursula Betts. Second, it is wise to know that each person plays an important role in your lives, and so they have value. We should not depend of the comments of the others person. And thirdly, we must put this metaphor in William Shakespeare into practice and learn from each situation in society that only of the self is capable of the sharing on one's own history. Mm, the lesson that led me to my father or classmate experience, knowing that everything has a reason, uh, and everything has a purpose in the lives in and absolutely everything words for word. Um, and no more is thank you for pay attention to me. Thank you. Bye.